Alrighty now. 1998 Ford Range rocker passenger repair. Prime time. This is the final primer. And this is part 9. Day 9. I say part 5. Alright, so here we go. As you can tell, I'm doing a slight overlap motion. This has a really good fan. I really like how the stuff fans out. Really nice. I use this on the on the driver's side, and it came out really nice. On there nice and heavy now. I got a really dastardly breeze today. I mean, it is really breezy out, so I'm fighting to get this product on here. Work some down here on the bottom side. Work back this way. Huh, no breeze now. Go for it. Trying to do that. It's such a small area. I'm trying to get that a good overlap. Alrighty, that's it for now. I'll come back and I'll do one final coat. I'm gonna let it harden up overnight, and then I'll do a sanding and we'll come back with paint.